Hello guys, welcome back in this tutorial. Today I'm going to share with you one other best website you can claim your free cryptocurrency from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. Okay, not bye bye, just I share with you the website. This is the website you can claim every 1 hour. Okay, between 5 and this much satoshi you can claim. No work needed, just click. Okay, put your wallet address, just click go. Okay, to show you the website how you can earn from this website. Okay, this is very easy, just click claim. You can claim your free satoshi. Okay, this is my website. Okay, this is the website show you. Okay, total paid this much satoshi. This website paid, this means 2 bitcoin, 2.5 bitcoin. This website pay. Okay, and you can just click solve your capture, and you can claim your BTC. Okay, solve capture, click claim. I put Faucet pay wallet address. You put Faucet pay wallet address too, because if they pay you instantly. Okay, and cash out, the current balance is this much, all time is this much. Cash out, the minimum balance for cash out is 50 satoshi. No referral people. This is very easy, just claim every time and you can earn much more. Okay, this website link you will find in description. Thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos, and bye bye for now.